What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna keep today's video super simple. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can shoot a workout video for a brand. Super simple. It's really nothing to it. I don't know how else to explain it. It's so simple. It looks stupid. If I'm being honest, if I'm being 100% honest, it looks stupid. But the end result, just like all filmmaking, is amazing. I didn't have my microphone with me, so all the talking, I'll just do a voiceover of it, and I'll just kind of guide you through what I did. This is a super short video. I'm getting straight to the point, because that's all it is. And then afterwards, I'll show you the video that I got paid for by Blender Bottle to put on my Instagram. All right, so take a look at this.
So one of the first things you want to do is find a gym location that's not crowded. The last thing you want is a lot of people just in your background. Second thing is you really don't want to overcomplicate your workouts. You don't need to be doing backflips while you're doing push-ups. We're doing bicep curls. This is super basic. All you need is the right angle, the right kind of lighting to make it look really cinematic. So as you can see, I'm even using some really light dumbbells. I also applied my fake sweat. The fake sweat really sells the video. I always end up getting it in my eyes, and it always actually ends up burning after a while. I don't know what that's about. Look at this. Look at this. Stupid. Next up, we plan out another exercise. So this one I'm just doing incline press. You can actually see me directing him, telling him where to go. You see his reflection in the mirror. I'm actually telling him he's going over too far, needs to come back. We don't want to have the cameraman inside of the scenes and One thing I also want to reiterate, do not overcomplicate these exercises. These should be super simple exercises. I think even here I'm just doing basic, it's like a basic in and out hanging crunches. It's super basic. Here I'm applying more fake sweat, still burning my freaking eye. I don't know what is in that bottle. I swear I just put water in there, but it still burns every now and then. So we do that for all of our action shots. Jesus Christ, is that how I run? Oh my God, bro, I look like super stiff. Anyway, I'm directing him where he needs to stand. I want him to stand directly in front of me. Nobody wants to see the athlete from the back. We want to see him from the front. At this point, we're wrapping up and it's time to go back and start editing. I do all that editing downstairs anyway. So I leave from upstairs and we come downstairs and we're in my kitchen now. This thing actually is the bee's knees. This thing blends through anything. I can make anything out of this. All of it comes pre-assembled. There was no assembly required. Just take all 3 pieces out. You see, I'm almost trying to reach my hand into like a Pringle can. It's weird trying to get this thing out. Very secure. I love this thing to death. Now I use it almost every day, but this was my first time ever using it. Put the top on, real nice and snug. Now start dumping down my ingredients. You want perfect lighting if you're gonna do anything with food. Perfect lighting. I needed that perfect cinematic lighting, so we position the blender right under it. Come through, make sure you have to get the pouring shot. That's like critical. You gotta get the pouring shot, and you also gotta get the shot actually sipping the drink. Don't chug it. Don't make sure it doesn't go on the side of your lip.
So yeah, guys, just like I said, that's about it. There's not really much to it, and I mean, I have a few other Blender Bottle commercials, and they were shot exactly like this. Like, it's quick, fast, straight to the point. Whenever you're shooting these type of videos, you want a lot of action B-roll. So one of the main things that I emphasize to my camera guy is, hey, let's move around. Just quick shots, quick shots. We're not staying here for too long. We're not doing this workout too long. Quick shots, here, boom, boom, boom. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a like. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you really like this kind of information, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also be prepared for Lord My Lord Part 2, because that's already in the works. I was kind of taking it as a joke at first, just filming by myself, but I saw the reaction. And granted, it didn't go viral, but the right people saw it. So I'm making it into a real short film with cameramen, props, effects, everything. So the next episode is gonna be like the real deal. All right, guys, until next time, peace.